the miracle healing of beet juice for high blood pressure and your heart. I hope you're having an amazing day or night, no matter where you are tuning in from. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's close to my heart, literally and figuratively, heart health. Specifically, we'll explore the remarkable benefits of beet juice and how it can be a game changer for your cardiovascular system. Now, I know what you're thinking, beet juice. Really? But trust me, beets are far more than just a colorful addition to your salad. They hold some incredible secrets that could seriously boost your heart health. So, grab a comfortable seat, and let's get started. The beet revolution. I want to take you on a journey into the world of beets, a vegetable that's been celebrated for its healing properties for centuries. Imagine this. You're walking through a vibrant farmer's market, and your eyes land on a bunch of fresh beets. They're bright red, with their leafy greens still attached. They might look like any other vegetable, but they pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. Beets are not just beautiful, they're powerful. They come with a unique combination of nutrients that can work wonders for your body, especially your heart. I'm excited to break down how beets can help you manage high blood pressure and improve overall heart health. But first, let's understand why heart health is so critical. The importance of heart health. As we age, our hearts undergo changes. Just like how a car engine can get worn out over time, our hearts can become less efficient. High blood pressure, often called the silent killer, can put tremendous strain on the heart. This condition might not show immediate symptoms, but over time, it can lead to severe complications like strokes, heart attacks, and kidney failure. To give you a clearer picture, think of your heart as a pump that pushes blood through your arteries. If your arteries are narrow or clogged, the pump has to work harder. This extra effort can cause the heart muscle to thicken and become less effective. Over time, this can lead to heart failure, a condition where the heart struggles to pump blood efficiently. The beet juice breakthrough. Here's where beets come into play. Beets are loaded with nutrients like potassium, fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants. But the star of the show is nitrates. Nitrates in beets are converted into nitric oxide in the body, a molecule that helps relax and widen blood vessels. This process, known as vasodilation, improves blood flow and reduces blood pressure. Let's imagine you're an athlete preparing for a big race. You might drink a sports beverage to boost your performance. Beet juice can work similarly for your heart. When you consume beet juice, it's like giving your arteries a gentle massage, helping them to relax and allowing blood to flow more freely. The science behind the magic studies have shown that drinking beet juice can significantly lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. For instance, research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that participants who consumed beet juice experienced an average reduction of 14 millimeters of mercury in systolic blood pressure. That's a substantial drop. The magic of beet juice lies in its high nitrate content. When beets are consumed, nitrates are converted into nitric oxide, which helps dilate blood vessels and improve circulation. This can be especially beneficial for those with hypertension, a condition affecting millions worldwide. Beet juice versus whole beets. You might wonder, is it better to eat whole beets or drink beet juice? While both forms are beneficial, juicing beets provides a more concentrated dose of phytonutrients. However, juicing removes the fiber, which is important for digestive health. So, if you're getting enough fiber from other sources in your diet, juicing can be a powerful addition. When juicing, you can get creative. Try mixing beet juice with carrot juice for a sweeter taste, or add a bit of ginger for a kick. Ginger not only enhances the flavor but also aids in digestion and reduces inflammation. Beet juice combined with apple or lemon can make a refreshing drink with added health benefits. Practical tips and cautions. If you decide to incorporate beet juice into your routine, start with 1 cup a day. Beet juice is potent and can cause your urine or stools to turn dark. This is completely normal and nothing to worry about. However, if you have kidney stones or high oxalate levels, you should avoid beet juice, as it could exacerbate these conditions. For those who are on blood pressure medications or other nitrates like nitroglycerin, it's essential to consult your doctor before adding beet juice to your diet. The effects of beet juice can interact with these medications, potentially leading to a drop in blood pressure that could be dangerous. The broader benefits of beets. Aside from their impact on heart health, beets offer a range of other benefits. They can help improve liver function, boost hemoglobin levels, and reduce inflammation. For those with anemia, beets can help increase hemoglobin and improve oxygen delivery throughout the body. Beets are also great for detoxification. They support liver health by helping to eliminate toxins from the body. Regular consumption of beet juice can enhance stamina, making it easier for you to handle physical exertion and even improve cognitive function. Incorporating beets into your diet doesn't have to be boring. Here are a few simple ways to enjoy them. 1. Beet salad. Toss roasted beets with arugula, goat cheese, and walnuts for a delicious, nutrient-packed salad. 2. Beet smoothie. Blend beet juice with fruits like apples and berries for a refreshing smoothie. 3. Roasted beets. Roasting beets brings out the natural sweetness. 3. Try them as a side dish or in a grain bowl. In summary, beet juice is more than just a trendy health drink. It's a powerful ally in managing blood pressure and enhancing overall heart health. By incorporating beet juice into your routine, you're not only supporting your heart but also boosting your overall well-being. I hope you found this information valuable. If you're interested in learning more about health and wellness, subscribe to my channel. I offer a wealth of self-help tips and nutritional advice to help you live a healthier life. Thank you for joining me today. Stay healthy, stay curious, and may your journey towards better health be filled with vibrant, nourishing choices.